Everyone has a love language. What could be your love language with your bosses, or what could be your love language with your kids, or with the people around you? Welcome to my channel. This is Suzy. This is a channel where I do lifestyle, and I decided to share with you each and everything. So breakfast was in. So what we had for breakfast, I don't know how they call those things in Arabic, but I don't know. I've forgotten the name, but that was for breakfast, and the breakfast was really served. I decided to share with you my lifestyle, my activities that I do in a day. When I was starting this video, I told you that it's very important to know the love language of the people around you. I'm the type of person who loves to be given, and also in return, I do love to give back to the people that I feel I should give them back. Now, as I was in the kitchen, my madam brought a very amazing dress. It was very beautiful, like I told you. My madam is good at gifting, and her love language is whenever you do well, she normally gifts you depending on what she has afforded. I can't spend a month without her getting me a small gift. I have gifts from her. Sometimes I even feel scared to come and show you guys because you might think that I'm bragging. So she brought me this beautiful dress. It was very beautiful. That is her love language. When you work as you are supposed to work and you do what you are supposed to do, she normally rewards you. So she rewarded me. Recently I was very busy, and she decided to bring this gift and ask and thank me for the good work that I done. So I decided to try it on. The dress was good, very good, because that's my best color. Brown is my favorite color. The only problem I have with it is the arms were a little bit small, but I have a solution for the arms. Yeah, I have a solution. I'm going to loosen up somewhere here in the armpits, and the dress will be good to go. Yeah, but I really loved the colors. I really loved everything. So what is your love language? Whether it comes to your boyfriend, your madam, your children, your friends, what's your love language? It's very good to know the love language. Very many people have different love languages when it comes to their relationship, but me, my love language, I like to be taken care of. I like to be given, because even me in return, that's a vice versa. So don't expect a love language yet you also don't have that love language. So back to my duties. Like I told you, I was in the kitchen and I was preparing some cream for the babies, because they were like, they wanted cream. Yeah, and this cream is normally prepared in Ramadan, but they were like, they wanted a cream, and I decided to do it for them. So let me hope you subscribe, like and share so that you can support my house. I'm a housemaid working in Saudi Arabia. On this channel I share my lifestyle, my activity as me Suzy in the Arab country. Yeah, so let's get into the video as I take you along for what I prepared for the day. It's a short video, but I decided to show you what I prepared for the day.